Hello everyone, welcome back to Agri Farming. Today we are back with how to grow ginger in pots. Ginger is a flowering plant with rootstock. Ginger root or simple ginger is widely used spice, which has great health benefits. Ginger is originated from the Indian subcontinent in South Asia. India, China and all countries in South Asia are the largest producers of ginger. Ginger produces clusters of white and pink buds that bloom into yellow flowers. Warm climatic conditions are best to grow ginger. It can be used as landscaping around subtropical homes. Northern climates are mostly suitable for growing ginger in containers around the year. Ginger is a tropical plant. It doesn't survive in frost. Spring is the ideal season to grow in pots. A rhizome is a root or underground stem of the ginger plant. Ginger is propagated from a small section of the rhizome. Cut a small 3 to 6 cm of root pieces from a living rhizome. Ginger takes nearly 10 months to mature and it is frost sensitive. If you are living in cold areas, it is best to grow ginger indoors and place the container in outdoor in daytimes for morning sunlight. Ginger is a miraculous plant, grows well in full shade, so it can easily thrive in your home where we don't have sunlight throughout the day. Flowers in ginger plants are rarely seen. Gingers are mainly grown for consumption. Ginger plant grows about 4-inch tall with long dark green shoots and leaves around 2 cm wide and 6-inch to 7-inch tall. The ginger rhizome has yellowish brown skin with a pale yellow hard flesh inside covered with fine fibrous roots. The ginger plant sometimes has fruits that contain small black seeds and ginger fruits are rarely seen. Ginger is the richest source of protein, vitamins, calcium and iron. Some of the scientific facts of ginger is the scientific name of ginger is Gingimber officinale. The common names are common ginger, cooking ginger, Canton ginger, East Indian pepper, Jamaica ginger, and Jamaica pepper. The family belongs to ginger, that is Gigimberaceae. Now, let's discuss about ginger farming techniques in pots. Varieties of ginger for ginger farming techniques in pots are the ginger plant are differentiated using its flowers that possess unusual shapes. There are different species of ginger plants and have a great variety of floral arrangements, size of rhizomes, shapes of leaves, but the common edible variety is Zingiber officinale. How to grow ginger? Ginger plant can be grown from a chunk of ginger or from the cutting of ginger plant. Select an organic ginger as inorganic ginger possessed with chemicals that can prevent sprouting. Ginger plants are available in all the nurseries. How to select ginger root for ginger farming techniques in pots. To grow a common edible variety ginger plant, you just need ginger root from the shop or can get a ginger plant from nearby nurseries or garden centers. Select ginger that is plump or free from wrinkles with small dark spots at the end of the finger. Eyes that have started to turn green are ideal, but it is not required. Organic ginger is the best option. If you are using inorganic ginger, you may need growth inhibitor. Before planting, divide the ginger rhizome into 1-inch piece with at least one eye or a small bump on it from which ginger plants sprout. Leave rhizome pieces to dry for a few days as the cut areas should be scabbed over and dry. Before planting the ginger rhizome, soak the rootstock in warm water overnight will promote the growth of the plants. The ginger should be at least 1 inch wide with one or more eyes will grow into a separate plants. The best season for ginger farming techniques in container. The best planting time for ginger in pots is late winter or early spring. In tropical regions later dry season or early wet season are the best to grow ginger. The best soil for ginger farming techniques in pots are: ginger thrives in highly fertile, well-drained soil to feed the ginger plant. Using a high-quality commercial potting mix with organic matter is also recommended. The soil should have availability to hold moisture and should have the free draining capacity, so the ginger roots don't become waterlogged. If you are using garden soil, mix garden soil with well-rotted compost for better growth of roots. Don't choose poor in quality or high in clay soil. Ginger plants thrive well in mild acidic soils. The pH levels of the soil should be between 6.1 to 6.5. Adjust the pH level using the garden store pH kit. Let's see what are the best container or pots for ginger farming techniques. The ginger plant grows in huge size and spreads horizontally, so choose a shallow, wide container. The ideal size for the container should be grown at minimum 15-inch wide container with variable depth. Ginger roots grow horizontally, so the height of the container is more important than the depth. Small containers are best to move easily inside and out. The container should have a good draining system and cover the draining holes with fine net and place a layer of small stones or cracked pottery to avoid waterlogging. The best location for ginger planting in containers. Ginger needs partial shade or area with morning sun. If growing in indoors, place the container in a warm room where the ginger root is exposed to indirect sunlight. If growing outdoors, place the container in a shady spot where it receives morning sun, gets shades during hot afternoons. Growing locations should be protected from wind and moist. What are the steps for ginger planting in pots? Soak the ginger root in water overnight before planting. Fill the container with commercial potting mix with organic compost. Place the ginger root in soil with eye bud pointing up. Cover it up with 1 inch to 2 inch of soil. Water the plant with water can. Water thoroughly till soil gets completely moist till the bottom. Place the container in a spot where it gets morning sunlight and complete shade during the day. Don't expose container too much bright sunlight. It just needs 1 or 2 hours of morning sunlight. Keep the soil moist using a spray bottle or mist or water it lightly. Ginger is a slow-growing plant. Ginger roots start sprouting after a couple of weeks. See the roots popping up out of the soil. Continue watering the plant regularly by misting it with a spray bottle and keep it warm. Now, let's get into the disease and pests in ginger farming techniques in container. Root rot is a major destructive disease that can affect the ginger plant. This disease can be managed by selecting well-drained soils. Selecting a healthy rhizome and good shade can prevent plants from disease like soft rot, dry rot, leaf spot, white grub, shoot borer, and bacterial wilt. Using an organic herbicide for controlling diseases and bacteria in ginger plants. Use neem oil spray for horticultural oil spray regularly and it will protect from pests. The last but not the least topic for today is how to harvest ginger plant from pots. Harvest the ginger plant when the leaves begin to turn yellow and die down. It indicates that ginger is ready to harvest. Approximately harvesting period of ginger plant is 10 months. Ginger gets good flavor if it is completely developed in the ground. The stem starts to die after 6 to 8 months of planting. Then dig up the ginger rhizome. Small pieces of ginger can be harvested 3 to 4 months after the growth begins. Pull some soil aside at the edges of the container to find some ginger root and cover back the soil. In this way, ginger can be harvested endlessly and as long as plant given a proper care. For pickling, young ginger can be harvested in 3 to 4 months after planting. Young ginger roots should be harvested very carefully. Use a sanitized knife to cut the plant. That's all folks for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to this channel and please ring the bell button to notify you whenever new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.